PPT on the screen, girls?
Miss.
Yeah, okay, we'll start. Good morning, girls. This is our fifth lecture of digital circuit and fundamental of microprocessor, right? Last lecture we have seen the simplification of Boolean equation using Boolean algebra, right? Sum of product and product of sum also we have seen, and then the min term and max term also we have seen, right? Now min term, this is three variable min term, how we have seen into the last lecture. Suppose this is a 0, 0, 0. So min term it is m0, small m0, but their algebraic equations is there: a complement, b complement and c complement. Because all are 0, so it is denoted by a complement, b complement and c complement. Is just reverse into the max term. It is a capital M0. This term is denoted by capital M0, but it is a or in b or in c it is denoted. It is not a complement. It is, so max term 0 is represent 1, and then min term 0 is represent 0, that is a complement. That's a different, just reverse of min to max term, right? Here this is a ANDing term, a complement and with b complement and with c complement, right? Now here the ORing term, a is ORing with and A and B is ORing with C. So these are just reverse term. Min term and max terms are the reverse term. This max term is a ORing term, min term is a ANDing term. Now see the example of second, 0, 0, 1. So what is the min term is A complement, B complement, C, right? Now here max term is A ORing C, B ORing C complement. This will be a C complement. 1 is there, so C complement. This is a max term. So that difference you have to keep it into the mind, that min term is what is and the max term is what is. It is denoted by capital M. It is denoted by small m. Here it is a ANDing, here it is a ORing. We'll see the last example, 1, 1, 1. So min term is A ANDing B ANDing C. But what will be the max term? A complement ORing B complement ORing C complement. So just reverse of that min term and max term. If any Boolean equation you will get that A, B, C. So you can change this into the max term, A complement plus B complement plus C complement, as we have seen into our De Morgan's theorem. A, B whole complement is equals to A complement plus B complement. We have seen is there. So same concept over here, the mean and max term, right? Now in this lecture we are going to see the K map. How we have seen the Boolean expressions, right, last lecture, and then solving the Boolean's expression we need to keep the all the theorems into the mind. So this K map is a tabular form of the method to solve, to minimize the Boolean equations, right? Now why we want to minimize the Boolean equation? If the Boolean equation is bigger, so that much gates we have to use. If we have to use, if the equation is using a Boolean equation using a 10 gates, but that equation we minimize, so it might require only the 5 gates. So we are minimizing the hardware components, we are minimizing the gates. So for that we need to minimize the Boolean equation. For that earlier we are using a theorem. Now this is the K map is the simplest method to minimize the Boolean equation. Now what is the K map? We'll see that. K map is, this is called as K map, Carnot map. This is the scientist who has developed this method to minimize the Boolean's equation. It is very easiest method if you understand that. So K map is a collection of square. First it is a collection of square. Each square is represent min term or max term. It is depend what you are going to, your equation is in a form of sum of product or product of sum, right? The collection of square is a graphical representations of Boolean function. It is a graphical representation. We will understand very easily while we are going to see the problems, right? Adjust the square differ in the value of one variable. alternative algebraic expression for the same functions are derived by the recognizing pattern of a square. This is a alternative algebraic function. It is derived by a recognition pattern, and the recognition, the K-map can be viewed as a recognition version of the truth table. As we have seen the truth table, if two variables are there, so there are four possible condition, and that four possible condition, what is the truth table? And that truth table is used into the K-map squares, right? We'll see. Now, what is the use of K-map? It findings the optimize, it findings the optimized equation, sum of product and product of some standard forms, right? Optimized equation, it forms the optimized equation of sum of product and product of sum, the two levels and or. Each sum of product also has the two level. First we will and that all and terms we will add, so that is called the sum of product. And the pause, that is product of sum. First we will sum all the terms, and that all the terms are multiplied with each other. So first oring and then ending the circuit implementations for the functions with the smaller number of variable. So it is a smaller, minimize the variables, right? Visualizing the concept related to manipulate the Boolean equations. It is a visualizing concept. It is not that we are the writing the K-map. K-map is describing the larger and larger circuit. There are six steps of the K-map. First we'll see the things. Now steps to solve the expression using the K-map. First, select the K-map according to the number variable. If you have a three variable, so you have to select the K-map table as three variable. If you have a two variable, please switch off the mic, Deepika. If
मॅम
ha,
तुमचा आवाज येत नाहीये मधी मधी जातोय.
okay. And now you are getting, hello, is it clear, beta? Hello.
येस मिस.
Yes, ha. Select the K-map according to the number of variable. First step, identify the min term and max term as the given in a problem, right? For sum of product, put one in the block of the K-map, respective terms are there, right? And else all are zero, right? If it is a pause, put zero blocks of the K-map represent to the max term, or else it is 1, right? Making rectangular group containing the total terms of the power like 2, 4, 8, 16. This way we have to make the group. We will see that in the example. Try to cover all many elements as you can in one group, right? How we will do the groupism, that we are going to see in the examples. From the group made in a steps 5, finding the product term and the sum them up all the for SOP forms. First it is a product term and then sum all the term. For the SOP or POC is what? First it is a sum terms and then the product of all terms. We'll see today only SOP. So next lecture we will see the POS, right? Now, two variable K map. Just it is very simple. We have seen till now two variable. There is a X and Y variable, right? So, how many maximum conditions for two variable? 2 to the power n. That is a four conditions. Four conditions means what? Either first two are 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1, right? Now, the two variable K map. Note that the min term M0 and the min term m1 are the adjacent term. The differ in the value of the variable y. This is m0 and m1. The value of x is the same, but y is a different. Here m0 has y0 and m1 has y1. Means this term, this block term is which is x0, y0. This block term m1 is what? X0, y1, right? Now here the m2 term, the x1, y0, and m3 term is x1, y1. Now how we will represent that this term is x complement y complement. Here x complement y because x is 0 and y is 1, right? Here x y complement y is 0, right? Here both are 1, x is also 1, y is also 1. So what will be the here? X and y. So this way it is a product terms will identify, right? Similarly, min term m0 and min term m2 and m0, y complements are there, right? But which is the terms are changing? X complement. X complement is here, here only the x. Here the y complements are same as here. The y is same, but what it is changed? X complement and x is changed, right? So this is you have to keep it into the mind. That is very very important. First we will draw the table. 4, if it is a 2 variable, then 4 columns are there. This is one column, 2 columns are there and 2 rows are there. This is one column, this is second column, right? Here variable your first x and y. So x is 0 0, then 0 1, then 1 0, and then 1 1. So you should remember that this is m0, m1, m2, m3 as we have seen in this table, because this is a 2 variable. Now how we are going to see this? Suppose this is our data, right? This is our truth table functions, right? K-map is just the different from the truth table. Two variables function. We have seen that the two will. We choose A, B, C, D, and D. Instead of 1010, just for understanding, we have kept here the A, B, C, D. How we are going to fill this function into this variable, that we are going to see this, right? Now x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. What is the function is here? A. So it will be a here. X is equals to 0, y is equals to 1. What is the function is B. X is equals to 1, y is equals to 0. What is the function is C. X is equals to 1, y is equals to 1. What is the function is D. So this is your truth table you are putting into the K map things. And now we will see the how we can minimize the functions, right? Now this is your function is f of x is equals to x only. Now the rest are 0 0 0. This is a complement, right? This is a complement. Y is 1. So these both are, this y value is changing from 0 to 1 for both 1. For both condition m2 and m3, y is changing but x is a constant, right? So now what the term will come? Only x, right? Suppose if I'm saying this one individually, so what is this term is? Xy complement, right? What is this term is? Xy complement. What is this term is? Xy, right? If I'm taking this term, if I'm taking a common of x, so now what will get? X into bracket y complement plus y into. So what is this y complement plus y? As per the Boolean algebra, it is 1 only. So the x into 1. So what will be the term? X. So rather than solving all this Boolean expression using remembering all theorem, we can minimize by using a K-map. Just this is the function. We will groupism this two group, one is two group, and we'll see that the y value is changing 0 to 1. If the values, any variable values are changing 0 to 1 or 1 to 0, so ignore that. those are the constant value, just skip it. This x is a constant for this term also and this term also. So what will be the answer? It will only the x answer. This way you have to do the groupism. Now see the another example. There are three terms are there. The first is x complement and y. So this term is 1, right? Second is x y complement. This term is 1. Third is what? X y is complement. So we'll do the groupism of this, right? For this groupism, your y value is changing from 0 to 1. Only x is constant. So what we will take for this? X. Now we'll do the another groupism. This is also, now here we can see the x value is changing. For this is x is equals to 0, for this is x is equals to 1. So x value is changing 0 to 1, but y value is constant for this and this. So what will be the value? It is only y value. So what is the equation of this? How we can minimize this equation? Only x plus y. Now we'll see that, right? X complement y plus y, xy complement plus xy, right? We can add one term here, x plus y, as the duplicated theorems there are. And then we'll do the groupism, xy complement plus xy. One more term we'll add here. Second groupism we can do that, x complement y plus xy. Here we can take the common of x. So what we'll get here? Y complement plus y. So again y complement plus y means it is 1. So what we will get the term from this is only x. Here we'll take the common of y, and then what is there? The x complement plus x. So again the x complement plus x is equals to 1. So what we will get the term from here? Only y. So what is the solution is for this? Are x plus y. If I'm designing the logic gate for this equation, suppose I am having one and gate, two and gate, three and gate, and one or gate, two or gate. So for this equation, we require three and gate and two or gate. Instead of we can do it with only one or gate. Means we have minimized the logic gates. For designing the result will be same. What is this result? That this result will be a same, but what we have minimized the AND gate and the OR gate. Instead of using three AND gate and two OR gate, we can use only one OR gate for this expression. So by using this K-map, we have reduced very easily. Otherwise we need to keep the mind, we need to use all the theorems of the Boolean expression, remembering all 11 theorem and where what we are going to use that, right? Now the next concept is there, how we will do the groupism, right? Suppose this is your a and b are 0, we'll take only the two variable k map. If our two variable k map is clear, then only we can go for the three variable k map. Now suppose this term, we can see this is the truth table, right? 0 0 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 1 1. This is the output of your, these are the input condition. At this input condition is the, what will be the Boolean expression for this table, right? As per our knowledge, this is 1 and this is 1. What is the equation is? A complement b plus a b. This would be, this would have been equations, right? But instead of that, if we are putting into the column, now see this condition, a is equals to 0, b is equals to 1. A is equals to 0, b is equals to 1, we'll put 1 here. Then the next is a1 b1. So a is equals to 1, b is equals to 1, we'll put 1 here, right? Then its group is, do the group, right? What it is changing? A is changing, but the b is constant. So what is the output of this Boolean expression is? Only b is a expression. So how we will put the value? That we are going, how we'll do the groupism? Suppose if this group, this group, so what is the answer is? Only b complement. If this is group, what is the output is only b only. If this is a group, if this is a group, what is the output is a complement. If this is a group, what is the output is only a, because b values are changing here. Only a values are constant for both the terms. So the only a. So if you are doing a groupism, you should know that if the group of this, so then only the b complement. If the group of this, then only the b. Now here the group of this, so the output is only b. If the group of this, output is only a complement. Output is what? Only a complement, because b values are changing 0 to 1 on, and here all are the 0, only one. SOP term only we have to focus on 1, not on 0. And suppose this is our truth table. As per this truth table, we'll have to solve our yeah. 0 0, it is 0, right? Nothing is there. 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 1 1 1. We have seen that this is one group, so what is the value is a. This is another group, what is the value is b. If we are doing a individual, suppose this is one group, it is a b, and this is a complement b. Again we'll have the a complement b plus b. The Boolean algebra's theorem is a plus b. We'll remove this complement. So instead of solving this individual, we can do it with the grouping. So what is this? We'll get the value b, a, and this is the b. So any adjacent value is there here or here. So do the grouping, find out the maximum grouping, and when you are finding the maximum grouping, you are minimizing the Boolean expression. These examples we have seen already. This is a plus b. The 1 a complement b is 1 1 1. So we'll do the grouping of this. So definitely we'll get the answer of a plus b, for this is the two variable. And the circuitry, as we have explaining here, you are using a 3 AND gate and 1 OR gate, or 2 OR gate. So instead of that, we can do it only with one OR gate. So that is the most benefited things to minimize the this much circuit into this. So and it is the easiest way. So that's why KMAP is very famous, and all the combinational and sequential circuit, it is use the KMAP rather than the Boolean expressions theorem, right? Now we'll see the three variable. If it is a three variable x y z input, right? Up to now we have seen two variable x and y. So if it is a two variable, how many maximum terms are there? There are four terms, because 2 to the power n. So 2 to the power n is equals to 4 terms. Now it is a 2 to the power 3. There are three terms. So what is the maximum possible condition? There is a 8 possible condition. So m0 to m7. Now here you have to keep it into the mind. This is x is equals to 0, y is equals to 1. This is a rule over there, right? First, this x y z, your sequence should be in this way. It should not change that here the x y z y. It should be a sequence in this way, x y z, right? Now here y z y z y z y z, here x and x, right? Now here 0 0 0, m0 m1, here comes the m2 and m3. This is the fundamental concept of the KMAP. This you have to keep it into the mind, right? Here in a third term it comes 1 1 and then 1 0. Here 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Always you have to keep it into the mind. Third term first come and then the second term afterwards, right? M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7, in this way. So now for this term is x0, y0, z0. For this term is x complement y complement z, x complement yz, because both are 1, x complement yz complement. Here x is equals to 1. So x y complement z complement, x y complement z, here xyz, this is m7 bit, xyz, here xyz complement, this you have to keep it into the mind. Note that if the binary value for the index different in 1 bit position, the mean terms are adjacent of the k map, right? Now we'll see the example how we'll do the groupism. Alternative maps are there, right? This is the alternate. Now if this is group, this 4 is group, so what is changing here? X is also changing, y value is also, z value is also changing. Only which value is constant? Y complement is constant. If you are doing a group of these 4, so what is the answer is y complement only. If you are doing a group of this, so what is the answer? Only the y. Now because x value is changed, z value is also changed, only the y value is constant, 1 and 1 for all 4 terms. So what is the answer is only y value. Suppose if you are taking these two and these two, that is also possible. We are going to see that. If you are taking these two and these two, right? So it comes the z complement value. And if you are taking just in between groups, so it is a z, because z is not change, y is also change, and x is also change. So we'll see that in the examples. So map use largely involve, so will and the alternative labeling are useful. So this is the way of the labeling: x y z, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 and 0 1, and this column 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So this is a standard form. You have to do it first the labeling, and then we have to put the value min terms whether it is 0 or 1. So first we have to do this the labeling. This is the first step. Now suppose you are, it is an example that, so example is given in this way. The function x, y, z. It is a three variable. You will come to know it is a three variable. X, y, z. Sum. Sum of product. This is the sign is a sum of products, means it is a small m. Small m means these 2 number, 3 number, 6 number, 7 number, these terms are 1, that you have to given this. This is the sum is given. First you need to draw the tabular form x, y, z. You need to give it here the 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, right? Here 0 and here 1, right? And then M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7. Now, what is the term is 2 is 1, 3 is 1, 6 is 1, and 7 is 1. Now, group this 4, right? What is, if you are grouping these 4, we can see that it is changing only z and x, y is only constant here. Now, see in this example, in this example, this is a group of 4, so only y is a constant. This y is 1 is here, y is equals to 1 is here, z is changing, x is also changing. So what is the answer is only for this y. So for f of x, xyz is equals to only y. Now if you are writing these terms, x complement y z, right? This term, right? X complement y z, this term, plus x complement x y z, this term, right? Now this is x complement z complement y, this term, and x y z complement, this term, right? This term. If you are going to solve this, now here you can see these terms are the same, yz yz. If I am taking a common of yz, what we will remaining here? X complement plus x complement plus x is equals to 1. So only yz term it comes here. Now here if I am taking a common of yz complement, what will be the term? x complement plus x, so only that is equals to 1, only the y z complement. Now here I am taking a complement of y, what is the term is left, z plus z complement, so again z plus z complement is 1, so what is the solution is only y. So if you are using a k map, it is the easiest way to solve the things. Now by using all this equation and all, directly we can solve this the equations and find out how many gates are used. Only one y is required in these solutions, right? Now we'll see how we will do the groupism also, right? Suppose this is a b c. Now again put here the 0 0 0. This you should remember that how we will put this 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, 0 and 1, and then we'll write here 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and then we'll see 1 3 is 1, 6 is 1, and 7 is 1, right? Suppose if you are doing this group, right, and you are doing this group, no need to do this group because these are already engaged over here. So you are doing this group, that is a complement c, and you are doing this group, that is a ab. So the answer of this expression is a complement c plus ab. There is no alternate solutions for further solution. You cannot do, you don't have to do it because already this is engaged. If you are doing this and these are the independent, so your expression will not be minimized, it will be too long. So you have to use your logical brain, how you are going to group is the grouping the ones. So this is your one group, this is your another group. Now see one more example, we'll see that. So sum of product, this is it is identified that your equation is in a sum of product, this way, this is sum and product of this, right? So 2 3 4 5, so this is one group. What is your answer is x is not changing, x complement y. Now here x and y complement, z is changing here in this position. So what is your answer is x complement y plus x y complement. So what is this is your XOR gate only. So you will get the XOR gate for this, right? Next example, if you are taking 3 4 6 and 7, so you can do the, this is one group, you can do this way group also. This is x is a constant, what z is also, y is also change, only z will be there. So this is what for this it is yz, here it is a yz, and for this term it is a xz complement. So you can do is grouping, not only this within we can do the corner grouping also, but it should be here and here, it cannot be grouping for this and this term, right? It is not, it has to be a same column, then only row, then only we can do the grouping of, or same column, then only we can do the grouping. See, this is the grouping call. This is your same row, you can do this group, this is also possible, this is also possible, this is also possible, this is also possible, right? You can do the grouping. See, this is blue color, what is x complement y complement, green color it is comes x y complement, x complement y, z is x y z. This grouping also four cell groupings. So two cell from here, two cell from here. This is also possible. So you will get only the Z complement because 0 0 and 1 0. Only Z is not changing. Rest all variable means X and Y variables are changing. In this grouping, you will get Z only. In this purple grouping, 4 4 ka bhi grouping you can do it. x complement, and this is also grouping, you can do it, y complement. This is grouping also, you can do it. This is 4 5 6 7, that is a x. This you can do the four cells grouping, two cells grouping. You can do maximum 8 cell grouping. If it is a 8 cell grouping, all are 1 1 1 1 1 1, then your answer is only 1, right? 8 cell grouping. One more example, we can see that f of 1 2 3 5 7. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So now do the grouping of, this is 4 ka grouping is possible, but this is only one left. So we can see that how many maximum grouping we can do it. So this is 2 ka grouping. So if this is grouping, what is the answer is z, and this is x complement y. So what is the function for this? It is z plus x complement of y. One more example, we can see that 0 1 2 4 5 6 and 7, right? This is 0 1 2 4 6 and 7. We'll put the value there. See the grouping of their maximum possible 4 ka grouping. If corner is there, so this is a 4 ka grouping, right? This is 2 and this is 2. This is not adjusted with anyone. If we'll do this two and this two, your equation is not minimized. We have to see that maximum 4 का grouping कर सकते हैं, maximum 2, maximum 8, how many maximum 1 we can do the grouping. It's not that this is also group, this is also, these two are individually left, so we'll do the grouping for the two. No, we'll do that one. How many maximum groupings can we do it there? Hello. Maximum grouping. So maximum possible grouping. For one, how many this one? How can I do the grouping for 4 ones? How can I do grouping for 2 ones? How can I do grouping for the 8 ones? So the maximum grouping. When you are doing a maximum grouping, the circuit will minimize your circuit, right? Now it is a 4 variables. We'll see the 4 variable. We have seen 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable. So how many terms are there in a 4 variable? It is 2 to the power 4, means it is a max 16 terms are there, right? 16 terms are there. So this is what w x y z. It goes on this way, right? Earlier 3 terms, so only 8 terms are there, so x y z only. Now here the w x y z, we can see that a b c d also. It is not the mandatory w x y z or anything. It can be p q r s also. It is a name of that terms only. But how you are going to represent? This is 16 possible condition maximum, right? 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0. So now all these are yz 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 yz. This is wx 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 wx, right? Now this is 0 0. Yeah, this is first term is 0 0 0 0. This is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here then 8 9 10 11 and 12 13 14 15. This you have to remember, because this is 1 1 it comes here, 1 1 is come. As we are skipping 2 and then 3, the same as here 8 9 10 10 11 and 12 13 14 15. This chart you have to remember, and as per the truth table you have to fill up your value, and then you can do the groupism of that value, right? So this is the way you have to remember that. Zero, the simplest way is that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then come to the down 8, 9, 10, 11. Then 12, 13, 14, 15. First you put all this number into the corner. Then it will be the easiest way to fill the numbers there, right? So this is a fourth. How you can do the groupism or into the four? This is your one group. You can do it this way. First, we can see that this all green corner one group also you can do it, right? This is in between grouping also you can do it. This is grouping also you can do. So possible maximum 4 ka group. This group is also you can do it 8 ka. This between also group you can do it. This is also group you can do it. So all maximum groups you can do it as much as possible as per the your value of 1 there, right? Now see the example this W X Y Z, right? 0, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 13, 15. This is the given function, right? It is given, this function only given. So you should understand that it is a 4 variable, then you have to draw the 16 ka block, right? So 2 to the power 4, it is a 16 possible condition. Then you have to write this x, y, y, z. So that is 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 0, 1. Hello?
हाँ मिस.
Hello? Is it audible?
Yes, miss.
Okay, okay, okay. Huh. Then you have to see that 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. This is 3, right? So first you have to put all these 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then you have to see this. Now 0 is then 1, this is. Then 2, this is 1. Then 4, this is 1. Then 5, this is 1. Then 6, this is 1. Then 7, this is 1. Then 8, this is 1. Then 10, this is 1. Then 13, and then 50. Now you have written all the ones. Now you can see that how many ones I can do it, right? So the first we can see this 4 1 ka group, right? Second we can do it all these 4 corner ones, right? All these 4 corner ones. Then these two ones are either we can do this group or we can do this and this 4 ka group also. Both are possible, right? Now here we have done it this group, that is w complement and x, right? But we can do, there is a possibility this group and this group. So what will be the answer for that? This w complement and what it is changing, y is changing z complement. For this group what we will get answer is w complement and z complement. So this way we have to observe that how many ones maximum grouping how can do it that. If it could be possible only 2 का भी, but 2 से वेरिएबल मिनिमाइज नहीं हो सकते हैं. So then we can do the maximum 4 का. If there is a possibility of 4 का grouping, so do it possibility of 4 का grouping. हो सक ये ग्रुप हो गया होगा फिर भी then also you can do it the grouping with the single number. If single number is left, so you think about this number, with this number how many ones I can group. So that is the minimizing your circuit, right? So while doing a practice you will come to know how we can do it the minimization, right? Now the next example is 0 2 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 13 15. Sorry, this is 3 4 5 7. These are the sum of product, means you need to understand that if this sign is there then the 3 has 1, right? Pos may different sign is there, then there you have to put it 0. So that is a different part. We are going to see today only the sum of product, not the product of sum. The product of sum is a different equations, right? So today we are going to see only the sum of product. So this is the 3, this is 4, 5, 7, 9, then 13, 14 and 15, right? Here we can do it 2 2 का grouping, there is no possibility of 4 का grouping. ये एक 4 का grouping है, but all this one had group somewhere else, right? So no need to do it this 4 ka, because this is the extra grouping. So now this is 2 group, this is 2 group, this is 2 group, this is, but all this one we cannot do with the 4 grouping, because it will left this one, it will left this one, it will left this one. So this we need to think about according to our logical thinking, right? Now this is the another one example. So this is 8 का grouping आ गया यहाँ पे, means you have minimized the circuit for this. Only A is there, 8 ka grouping, right? And then this is 4 corner grouping, this is 4 का grouping, एक के नीचे एक हो जाता है, and this all only this one is left. For this one they have done it one more grouping for this all are 8 ka grouping, right? This is 8 grouping, this is also 4 grouping possible, this and this, right? Only this one is left. For this one, how many, we will not keep as it is one, we can again see that how many possible things to group with this one also, this one also, this one also and this one also. So the corner grouping also we can do it. Now here for this corner grouping we can see here 0 0, here also 0 0, here 0 1 0, right? So now here 1 0. So now what is the change with there? A is changing, only B complement is here, and here D complement. So this grouping of one of all corners, it is a B complement, D complement, right? So today's concept is there how you can do it the maximum grouping of ones, and we can minimize the equation. This is the one more grouping steps. Suppose this is the equation is 0 to function is 0 2 3 4 7 12 13 14 15. So we'll put all these things, we can do it the groupism. For if it is grouping then of this and this, and here 4 ka and here 2 ka, so no need to do this group, this green and this purple, no need to. If it is covered all the ones, so no need to do it that. So just it is showed that okay, how many groupings are we can do it. So this is 4 ka grouping, these 4 are covered over there, this is one more grouping, these 2 are also covered, this is another grouping, 2 are covered, and this is one more grouping, either this or this green grouping, right? So this way you have to minimize your equations, right? Now 5 variable KMF is 5 variable KMF is how many maximum condition? 2 to the power 5, it is a 32 maximum condition. 32 means you need to do it there to 16 KMF. Now how many variables are there? 5 variables, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now V is equals to 0 and V is equals to 1. This is, but here W, X, Y, Z as we are doing in a 4, right? So suppose if you are doing a groupism here, so V will come. So this and this are the same. So the V will omit. Only we need to think about W, X, Y, Z. Corner for all blue colors are grouping, so we will omit, only we need to think about the W, X, Y, Z. If this group is in green, so what is this? We need to think about the V complement, right? Because it is grouping only here in these matrices, not with these matrices. If grouping these matrices with these matrices, so then we omit the V, Otherwise, if it is in this matrices, so we have to keep this V complement. And what is here, this W x Wx, that is a 0 1, means V complement W complement X. This is, see, this term is V complement W complement X complement, right? So this way you have to do the grouping as same as. Now it is very important, you need to understand for the two variable k map, three variable k map, four variable k map. And then if you are understand properly the four variable k map, it is very easy to do with the five variable k map. So now one more five variable k maps, right? Now here one more concept is there, the don't care. This is a don't care, right? Means there is a, either it is a 0 or 1, it is don't care. But while doing a grouping we can use there 104. So it shows that plus some minimum 146 is a don't care, right? Now this is a four variable a b c d, so it is a b c d. Now first we will put it that the 3 9 10 11 12, 13, 14, and 16, right? So this is our here. Then what it is, 1 is don't care, 4 is don't care, 6 is don't care, right? Now we have done it this one grouping, and this is another, so we'll consider this don't care also, one more grouping. But we don't bother about, if these two are left, we don't bother about that don't care, right? So we can do it the grouping with the don't care things. Now here don't care is always right into the cross, neither it is a 0 nor it is a 1. If you require, you can group along with that as per your condition. If you don't require, you can leave it as it is, you don't think about that. Now here the don't care condition, now see it 1 1. So rather than doing only two 1 1 ka group, we can do it for the 4 ka 1 1, because we are considering this don't care. Either all this one corner also one, instead of that doing this 4 ka group, because these two four three ones are left, so rather than we can do it all corner 1 1 ka group. And then according to that we'll get the value is, as I have explained into those are the constant value. Suppose here for this example corner, right, here 0 0, here also 0 0, here 1 0, here 1 0, right? So now what value is 0 0 1 0? B will here, B complement will be here, and here 0 0 1 0. Now here D complement. What is the value of all these four grouping is B complement and D complement. For that you need to do the practice very effectively. So the selections of group essentials, these are the selected, this is essential groups, right? You can do it the groupism, these all are the, if the, if this is one, this is one, this is one, so you can use the don't care also for doing the groups. And here today we have seen all the rules of how to solve the K-map by using sum of product method, right? All the taking care of all the ones that should not be left, and that one how we can do the grouping with another one or the don't care things. So I will give you the assignment on this. So you need to solve and you need to check it from me, right? These books are in the reference, I'll send this link also. This is very important link to, you can refer this link also once more, or if you have any doubts you can let me know. Thank you girls. Yeah, tell me your queries.
No,